Right, I've completed all the plumbing work in this full tower ATX casing, and I've also completed almost all the cabling work other than what's necessary to support the SATA optical drive and magnetic hard drives, which I haven't installed, and I'm not in a big hurry to do so because I've got two M.2 SSDs. Anyway, as we can see, the loop is still dry, and that's because I have not powered this thing on at all, and I'm about to do so for the very first time. And of course, what I've done is I've breached the ATX power connector, and I've disconnected the CPU power supply cable up there. I don't know if you can see it, but the reason I've done so is because I don't want, I'm not really sure how things work. It's my very first build in about 15 years, and I've not touched anything with water cooling before. And yeah, I've not built a PC for a decade and a half, so I don't know if the CPU will be powered on and overheat because there's no water going through it and stuff. Which is why I've disconnected the power from the motherboard and the CPU just to be safe. So of course I'm going to now turn the power on and hope the pump runs and we don't get bursts of smoke anywhere or anything like that, because then it will be quite problematic. And hopefully the pump will spin, and that will allow me to fill the reservoir with coolant, and then we should be good to go. Oh, and of course the RAM modules haven't been installed yet because those are really fragile stuff, so I'm going to leave them to the very end. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, I really thank God for this. So when I flipped the switch, obviously the only fan that ran was the one on the PSU itself, but more significantly, you can see the pump actually working. And now the PSU's fan has stopped. Did I say CPU? I meant PSU, obviously. Right, this is what we really need. So now I can go ahead and fill the system up with coolant.